Yo, what is going on? Today I'm going to be trying to make peanut butter with, I have like these bags of trail mix, like not feeling trying to eat this trail mix. So I'm going to try to take the peanuts out of it and see if I can make peanut butter with that. Because all you need for peanut butter is, well, hold on, let me turn off this water. All you need for peanut butter is 3 simple ingredients. You need salt, believe it or not, peanuts, and you need honey. So I'm gonna see. I saw this recipe online. I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see how this shit goes. It should be lit. Should be a good time. Let's do it. There's peanuts. So put them down. I gotta organize everything. So I'm gonna get a plate and like fucking separate those. This trail mix contains, let's see, we got M&M's, peanuts, raisins, and sunflower kernels. I might put the sunflower kernels in there too, just for some extra flavor, because I feel like that's actually really good. And I gotta put my honey. So those are sunflowers. There's our raisins and raisins and M&M's, and then there's our peanuts. So we're gonna be using these. We're gonna figure out what to do with these. I might eat these. Let me see. They're pretty good. And then this is definitely gonna be a snack for later. This was fire. Oh yeah, that's busting. Alright, bro. So what I did was I put my peanuts in here. So I'm blending these up. I was supposed to blend these up like 5 minutes. I'm just gonna do it for like a minute because I'm not trying to wake everybody up. It's only 9 o'clock. But I just ain't trying to, I ain't trying to be too bad. So grind these bitches up. Said I need salt too, so I'm gonna add some salt to the table. Half a tablespoon of salt. So, I already got salt on the peanuts. I'm not gonna put too much. I'm just gonna use like, you can't see that, but half a tablespoon of salt. So there we got that shit grinded up, and then I'm gonna add my honey. Yo, this is about to be fire. I'm even gonna cap to you. Peanut butter is my favorite, like one of my favorite things for sure. So this is about to be fucking fire. Now my honey is a little crystallized. But I got most of it. You can, if your honey crystallizes like this at the top, all you have to do is warm it a little bit, and then you should be good. So it says I need 2 tablespoons. I only have like a cup here. There we go. Well, it's already getting ready. Hold on. So how do I stir this? Bro, I made peanut butter. Holy fuck. Hold on. That's crazy. I mean... Yo. Hold on. I'm gonna add some more honey though. Oh, hold on, that's fucking dope. Fuck that recipe. We're gonna do our own thing. I'm gonna grab a food spatula and I'm gonna bust this thing up. Yo, it's kind of looking bright right now. Can y'all see that? Whoa. Yo, real shit, I might add some water. I might do that. I'm gonna add some water. Let's see if that see if that can like make it a little creamier. Bro, look at this. Look at bro. Hold on. Come in peanut butter, bro. I mean, I know it's like not the craziest thing, right? That's awesome. Yeah, now it's really got that spread, see? Yo, bro. Yeah, you don't need a food processor, bro. You need a blender. Look at that, man. Now I got my very own peanut butter, so I can eat. Because I didn't have any peanut butter left, so I made my own. Fuck yeah. Okay. It's kind of hard to get out of this fucking thing. If I had a food processor, I think I can get it a lot finer, but I don't have all that shit, so this is the best this is the finest I'm gonna be able to get it. But I mean, damn. That's peanut butter, dog. It actually tastes a lot better than regular peanut butter because it tastes a lot fresher. Oops. It don't taste better than Jif, let me not cap. But that shit is good. And voila, peanut butter. It's so good because you're eating it. It tastes like ice cream. I don't know how to explain it. That's actually a good description. If you've ever had peanut butter ice cream, that's what this tastes like. I don't know why. God damn, that shit is good. My God, I can't stop eating. Oh my God. That is phenomenal, bro. I don't got a lot, but it's better than having no peanut butter. Let's be honest. Put the lid on that bit. Yes, sir. That was like the bottom consistency. You see that? It's pretty damn good, bro. I like that. That was my simple little video on how to make peanut butter. I hope you guys enjoyed. It wasn't a very long video, but I thought it was a cute little video to do because I saw an idea and I wanted to make my own peanut butter. Try it yourself and see what you think. If you don't have a food processor, use a blender. If you don't have a blender, use a mallet. And if you really want to get it fine, I don't know what to tell you. Go buy a food processor. Probably use a mallet though if you really don't have anything, or like a mortar and pestle, which is that thing that little like gray thing with the mashy thing. Yeah. So, you guys for watching. This has been Logos. Peace out. Go check out my other videos if you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe to stay updated, stay positive, have a wonderful day, and peace out, gang.